So I stumbled across a unexpected error here. I It turns out that it's possible if you misspelled this word that this block would never get called because the simulate button click would never, if this word and this word don't match, the published event and the subscribe event don't match, then this code would never get called, and the two expects here would never be called, and so the test would never have a failure or a success for that matter, but it would, since it didn't throw an error, it would appear to succeed. So that's really kind of a bug in that code. So what I've done is to declare a new variable, let subscription called, and I initialize it to false. Then if this thing gets called, I set it to true. And then finally, outside of the subscribed method, I test that subscription is called. I test, is it truthy? Is it set to something that resembles true rather than something that's false? And that works. The code's getting very verbose. So there's another way to do it. There's a thing called done, which is usually used in asynchronous code to prove to ourselves if we needed to wait. Suppose this were a callback. It's not a callback. This call directly clicks the button. The button directly sends a subscribe method, publish method, and this method gets called directly. There are no callbacks in it. There's no delays. But nevertheless, it's useful here because it's more succinct than writing this variable and using it 3 times. We can just write done here and then call done to tell the test, hey look, I'm finished. And if the tests if you haven't gotten any tests by now, then something's wrong, or if done is never called, then something's wrong, which would satisfy our condition of ensuring that subscribe gets called, because this method's not going to be happily finished until done is called, and the only way done will be called is if subscribe actually gets executed. Then I cut out everything else that wasn't necessary to get us some shorter code here, because shorter code is generally better. Okay, so that was a bug and that was the fix.